This is the presentation of the article Time and Frequency Dissemination using TwoWay. One of the main goals of time and frequency transfer is clock comparison between stations separated by large distances. TwoWay satellite time and frequency transfer is the most accurate method for comparing and synchronizing timescales between remote stations connected by geostationary satellites. The TwoWay system can provide a time uncertainty smaller than 1 nanosecond and provide time and frequency transfer without the main vulnerabilities of GNSS. The TwoWay has been used by laboratories for national and international transfer of time as in UTC generation. This figure shows the laboratories that contribute to UTC generation and the respective techniques used to time transfer. GNSS and TwoWay are the two main time transfer techniques. Note that there is no TwoWay link in Latin America. The concept of the TwoWay technique can be understood considering two stations, each with a clock and a time interval counter. The signal of 1 pps from clock A is connected in the local time interval counter and in the remote time interval counter using the satellite link. The same is true for the clock B. There are two delay equations to the registry RA and RB from the time interval counter of each station. Taking the average of the difference of the delay equations and grouping the terms, we find the clock difference equations in the right side. The propagation terms are reciprocal and therefore can be cancelled. The delays in the satellite term are also reciprocal and it is cancelled too. Equipment and SEGNAC terms are not reciprocal. The equipment delays can be calculated accurately using a calibration. The SEGNAC delay occurs due to the path difference of the signals caused by the Earth rotation. It is easily calculated by the presented formula. Traceability to UTC using TwoWay over satellite SGDC is shown by this figure. In metro station, provided its local realization of UTC to give traceability to the other station. Metro can give traceability satisfying two conditions. The first is already satisfied, since Metro contributes to the key comparison CCTF K001 UTC, and so it is traced to it. To satisfy the second condition, Metro has to provide a calibrated TwoWay link. This last condition could be provided using the Brazilian SGDC satellite. Telebrás and Defense Ministry must be included in this project to support and provide the 2 MHz channel in X-band, avoiding the RAN unavailability of key A bands. TwoWay has been a primary technique, contributing to the timescale comparison, including UTC generation. TwoWay is the most accurate technique for time transfer based on the exchange of signal through a satellite. The Brazilian SGDC satellite could be used to time and frequency transfer with traceability in critical mission systems and between laboratories using TwoWay links. This article presented the TwoWay technique and demonstrated its feasibility in providing time and frequency dissemination and traceability in a Brazilian context. Thank you.